What's up, my Shuggies? Ashley here, and in today's video I have an amazing IKEA haul for you. I have not been to that store in years and recently went to look at one item and was seriously in that store for hours buying everything up for my house. So if you are interested in seeing some beautiful home decor on a budget, then just keep watching. All right, you guys, I'm gonna kind of show you everything that I got from IKEA and go from start to finish. So to the right, when you come in, there is a huge fireplace that was custom built, and I feel like it needed something, but my husband didn't necessarily want to do cabinets, so I found some inspiration for some shelves. Instead of getting them custom built, I found the Lack from IKEA. These are free floating shelves. They're super nice and lightweight. They come in two different lengths. This one in specific, I believe, is the 43. And then there's a 70, 74, 70 something inch. And they are going to float. And to kind of give you a visual, with one person it's a little hard to do, but that's what it's gonna look like. So I'm gonna do three. One at the more towards the top of the TV screen, one towards the bottom of the TV screen, and then one right at the top of the fireplace. So they will look like that. And then I got some of these accessories. Some of them are old, some of them are new, and I'm going to put them on top of the shelves. Now, for, again, my inspiration, I wanted to find some nice pictures and picture frames to go on the top shelf. These I found at IKEA as well, and look at how cute, once I get our wedding pictures printed, will be inside of these. So these are the Edsbruck, I don't know, they're German, but one is a 19 by 27 and the other one is a 16 by 20. These are super inexpensive and really, really nice quality. So you can see they are just a nice beveled wood black frame. They did come in a white and a really nice wood tone color that was more of a gray beige whitewashed wood tone. So if you're looking for that, they do have them as well. They have them in a ton of different sizes and different styles as well. Some of them were plastic and not the wood, but for me, this was exactly what I wanted. It was exactly like the picture, so I'm super excited to see what that looks like on top. Moving over to my most favorite makeover I have done yet to date in this house. It is these amazing curtains. I did a post on my Instagram about the before and after of what these look like. So if you haven't checked that out, please go do so. It's Ashley 2_KEI, and it seriously looks amazing. What we had before was fine. There was nothing wrong with it. I just wanted more of that black and white kind of like wispy light tone. And I was having the most difficult time, not with the curtains, but with the rod, finding something that was thick enough in diameter that had a nice sturdy look to it and a nice finish that wasn't extremely expensive. I found one from Lowe's that was $150, and then I found this at IKEA and it was $19.99. Now keep in mind, I did have to purchase two of them, so it ended up being $40 because the length of this is about 120 something. Now these curtain panels, I had my heart set on a certain panel. I think it was the something with an R, Riva. And I went there and I saw these and I'm like, oh my gosh, that's exactly what I want. Like, look how flowy and beautiful those are. They're just a tiny bit see-through, but they give that nice, like, closed, so you can't see everything, but it's just a little peek of something, but it still lets the light in. I think they're absolute perfection. I absolutely love them. I decided to get another rod and the same exact curtains to redo this area right here. Again, nothing wrong with the curtains. They're just a little bit too sheer for me. And of course, I want the rod to match because I'm loving these black accents. So these are more of a shimmery linen look to them, and I just really wanted them to be more white and not so kind of like white gray silver. So these are the curtains. They come in 57 wide by 98 long. I'm telling you right now, it's freaking perfect for a sliding glass door. I did not adjust, hem, or cut those at all. That's amazing because 9 times out of 10, I have to. Also, these come with 2 panels. 2 panels, and it was like 12 bucks. So literally $24 for the curtains, $40 for the rod. For 60 something dollars, that is what this is, my friends. You cannot tell me that is not screaming Crate and Barrel Pottery Barn vibes. And I'm telling you, this thing is nice and sturdy. I also love the fact, let me hit you with a zoom real quick. These ends right here are so nice. See how it's like not the typical end that they put on curtains where they just sit down in? It's really nice and really substantial. So I want you to see that that's something really important that does not look cheap. All of the other ones that I have that, and I can't stand that because I feel like it just gives it that like not so high quality vibe. Now, this one is the same thing. This has what I'm talking about. See, it's just not as like sturdy and high quality. So in order to fix that, if you do have that problem, you simply lift the rod, bring your curtain panel out, set it back down in the rod, tighten up your screw, and that way this is outside of it and you can't see it anymore. So that's a little hack if you have a rod that you don't want to change the end piece to. And as you can see now, it's covered up and it looks more clean and precise. Nonetheless, these are coming down and we are getting a new dining room table as well as light, as well as bar lights. But just so you can kind of see what that looks like, that is the aesthetic. We're going for more of the Crate and Barrel Pottery Barn Restoration Hardware vibe. Now, last but certainly not least, I seriously had a heart attack when I was there and saw that they sell feather down inserts for, I think they're like $10 or $12. These are the, I'm not even gonna try to pronounce that crazy name, but these are 65 by 65 square down inserts. Seriously, how amazing are those? I got 2 because I want to bring in the darker gray colors to this couch area. So I got one and it's gonna go back here, and the slipcover is a velvet that is a plain dark gray that looks just like this. And then the other one will be the same thing over here in this corner to just kind of bring that darker gray to the couch to kind of bring everything together, because I don't want it to be too monochromatic. I feel like right now it's just a little bit too monochromatic with just the plain light gray velvet. I really want to bring those pops of dark gray like you see in those middle pillows into the ends. Unfortunately, when I purchased them, I got this size instead of the 26 by 26. I think they're like 16 by 20 instead. So I did order them online. They're not in yet, but as soon as they come in, that's where they're going. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this amazing IKEA haul. I will, as always, link everything for you in the description box down below. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that post notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I upload new videos. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.